Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you both?
Great, great.
Great.
Last week we did speech activity, and you have heard your own known people talk so positive about you. How do you feel about it? Nadim ji, how do you feel when people talk positive about you?
Yeah, it feels good. I never thought, people think so good about me. So once I start writing, good things just come up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's tough,
Yeah,
but it gives you a good
yes.
feeling. Hema ji, how about you?
Yeah, it's good. It felt good, but very difficult to think about for other perception. I never think about to other perception. I'm always thinking sometimes good, sometimes not good. I'm always thinking why they said they say me a good thing about me, and someone is jealous me. Yeah, but my mind is not picking up key good thing if someone is say so that is a difficult, but it's really amazing activities ki some other person also feel good about you. That is a I feel.
True. When I did this exercise, I felt so motivated and inspired to do more good things in coming future, you know.
Yeah.
So when we did this exercise, you might have found some common words in your speeches, three speeches. What are those common words, Himaji?
Motivation and love. Other people also love me, and other people say feel good about myself and my company, and love, happiness, and motivation. That is three words.
Correct. And Nadimji, how about your common words among three speeches?
Yeah, he's always caring. He loves people, and yeah, about friendship and all these words for him.
So you feel a different kind of connection with these words,
Yes,
that
right.
you are interconnected with us. They are already inside you.
Correct.
Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah.
To find out more such words, such qualities about yourself, we are going to do another activity which is called discovering baselines.
right.
Right.
As I already mentioned the baselines to you, can we come to know again what baselines are? Hope we are not forgotten.
Just related to your core value.
Yeah, they are our core
Three
values, which we
things.
gain from our experience, from our family, and it is already within ourselves,
Right.
right? So in this exercise, I'm going to share with you a hub. It's an online activity where out of you will be getting around 365 or 370 words. You have to select the words which are more connected to you, and it has to be related to your present condition, not what we want to do it. Whatever we are at present and they are most relating to us, you have to select those words in the first row. So it will help you in selecting your six core baseline. The steps will go like that. Step one, out of 365 words, you can select as many as possible. In the step two, you have to be little cautious and little thoughtful about the connectivity of those words with yourself. So you will, out of those, you will select 24 words. In the step three, out of 24 words, you have to select six. And the system will help you in prioritizing those words. Then you will come to know, it will help what is the most important thing, then next important, and then next important. So this entire exercise will help you in taking out the top six baselines of yours. So I'm sharing you the hub in front of you. Please do the exercise. We'll meet after 10 minutes and then we'll discuss what baselines you have discovered about yourself.
I think 10 minutes is not more than sufficient for this
Yeah.
activities. Can
Yes.
we do more
Okay.
or give
Yeah,
me?
yeah, yeah. 20, okay, 20 minutes. Is that fine?
Yeah, okay. 20, half an hour is fine for us because we relate and we start and we
Yes, yes,
connect, then we will activity. Okay, fine.
correct. Yeah.
Yes.
Welcome back. So you have done the
Hi.
activity. Hi. You're done with the activity.
Yes.
Yeah, it's done.
Was it really tough, Hemaji?
Yes, it's tough because you digging every words and you relate every words. You found meaning of every word. You search in dictionary and you see what is a meaning is related to me and not me. This is difficult because so many words related to me. But task is we cutting down 24 and then cutting down 6. So which most relate? Most
Yes,
of the time.
I
That
know that
was
elimination
very
takes
difficult.
time.
Yeah, yeah. That is a choose very difficult for me. Otherwise,
Correct.
it's good.
Agreed, agreed. How about you, Nadeem ji?
Yeah, yeah, same. Like it looks like every word is meant for me. But
Mm-hmm.
when selecting so many words and started cutting down, then finally six came, which is very very near to me. Those six words. Then when we started doing the prioritization, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is the most uh, important. So when I reach there, so whatever activity I do, if I get that, then only I'll enjoy doing that work.
True, true, true. So, Hemaji, what are the 6 baselines you found?
My sixth baseline is love,
Mm-hmm.
motivation, growth,
Mm-hmm.
growth, leadership,
Yeah.
imagination,
Mm-hmm.
and happiness.
Yeah. So you told me according to the priorities.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, and how about you, Nadeem ji? What are your baselines?
Experience,
Mm-hmm.
happiness,
Mm-hmm.
flow, love,
Flow.
flow, FLOW,
Acha, flow. Okay, sorry.
yeah.
Okay.
Love,
Mm-hmm.
contribution,
Mm-hmm.
discovery.
Okay. So here, as I observe, there are you both have two common baselines, love and happiness,
Yeah.
right? So what do you mean by love in your meaning, Nadeem ji?
Yeah, love means care. Love means taking care of somebody, and it's a feeling good factor.
Correct. And how
That's why,
about you, Hemaji? What do you understand by love according to you?
Love is, according to me, love is energy, happiness, which you connect someone, maybe things. If you love it, if you're doing something and you love it, that is a love. Energy connection is a love. If you
Yeah.
connect someone with the passionate happiness, and that is a love.
And how
Compassion.
about happiness? How about happiness? That is also
Happiness, if you joy, if you feel doing something with the joy, that is a happiness, that is also energy, that is also feelings. If
correct.
you feel good about other things, maybe person, maybe nature, that is maybe yourself also, that
Yes.
is a, if you joy with the things, and that is a happiness.
Correct, correct.
Feel
And
good.
yeah. So Nadeem ji, for you, what is happiness?
yeah, happiness means feeling good factor. Okay. So when I do contribution, when I do something to the society, I feel a lot of happiness. Okay.
So here,
Yeah.
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 So here you have observed that you have common baseline, same words, but for Nadeem ji, same word has different meaning for himself, and for Hema ji, you have a different meaning for those same words.
Yeah.
So this way, every individual has different baselines because every individual is different. Every individual thinks in a different way. That's why it's very important to discover these baselines because this is the base how we think, like how we behave, because my meanings are different. I act differently in different situations, right? So that's why in the end we say that baselines affects our thoughts, our feelings, and all that. So with this, we will analyze the further analysis in the coming exercises, and I'm sure you will enjoy those exercises very
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
Okay, so
Right.
by the time, and by the time you can just keep practicing the baselines, because these are your core values.
Right.
Repeat them if possible 3 times a day. It will be integrated into your mind. Even if somebody asks you in sleeping time, what is your baseline, you should be able to tell, yeah, these are my baselines. Okay, so enjoy your time. See you next in the next week. Bye bye. If you have
Bye.
any query, please give me a message or call. I'll get back to you.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.